on the mountain down here in Bountiful. I've been driving around blaring my horn trying to get these people out of their houses, but the whole mountain is going up down here. So everybody, like, get a hold of your friends in Bountiful. Tell them to, like, soak their yards down up on the hill. Call all your Bountiful friends that live on the East Bench right now. It's moving way quick, so call all of your friends that live in Bountiful on the East Bench and tell them to look out their windows, make sure they're okay. So I know with how big my audience is, you guys can get this out there. Like I said, this is on the hill in Bountiful. Call all of your friends on the East Bench. Check on them, make sure they're okay, because this is spreading fast. I might have to get the hell out of here in a minute because the wind is kicking this up like pretty good. If you live on the East Bench, crank your sprinklers up, wet your lawn down. The wind is only making this worse. So I do believe I'm over by Cheese Park. No, I'm actually over a little bit further than that. So you know what? I'm gonna go get the name of the park so you guys kind of know where I'm at. So it's called Twin Hollow Park, but as you can see, like, the mountain's like going up good. My friend noticed it probably about 30 minutes ago. I was down in West Bountiful, but it spread fast. And the wind is just kicking it up, so I think the whole mountain's going to be going up. do believe the cops are up here, like, evacuating houses. It looks like a few of these people up the hill are probably gonna, they're probably gonna lose their houses. And I do believe it was started by lightning, because we had a little electrical storm roll through here. But I don't know if you guys can see that, but there's like sparks just flying through the air. So lots of little embers. I think this is just gonna spread and get much, much worse. Awesome. Thank you for doing that, Tyler. Like I said, if you have friends that live in Bountiful or the Centerville area up on the bench, give them a call. Text them on Facebook. Do what you got to do. Let them know about this, because this is coming down the hill fast and it's going to start taking out houses. I've been telling everybody here in the neighborhood to just drench everything down. Just soak your lawn, turn the sprinklers on, and get the hell out if you need to. Robert, so this is on the east bench of Bountiful. Kind of over towards the B a little bit. I'm actually a little bit north of there. I was actually in a different spot down the road from here, but it was just, it was too unbearable with the smoke. Oh, look at this, like the wind's like just kicking it up. So you know, I don't recall where Firebreak Road is, but there's houses like right here. You guys can probably see the rooftops. So this is coming down. I think the cops have been working really hard of getting everybody out of here. So okay, yeah, it looks like they're booting us out of here. So yeah, they're evacuating us. So I will keep you guys posted. You know what? I'm gonna roll here for a little bit and get down the road, but yeah, so they're kicking us out of here. So I'm not gonna try to drive and like look at this damn screen. So give me a sec. I'm gonna just drive down here a couple blocks. But yeah, as you can see, this whole neighborhood's gonna go up. So they're kicking us out of here.